Are you looking for a way to whiten your teeth that doesn't involve messy dental impressions? Do you hate using those flimsy strips that never seem to stay in place? Have you tried other over-the-counter whitening products and haven't been happy with the results? Well, Opalescence Go by Ultradent may be the whitening product you've been looking for. Hi dental fans, in this video I'm going to show you a close-up look at Opalescence Go. Opalescence Go is an at-home whitening product that is available from your dentist, or like almost everything nowadays, you can find it on Amazon. A 10-pack of the pre-filled trays cost between $70 and $80. I'll leave some Amazon links down in the description. Now, I'm not sponsored by Ultradent. I bought this sample pack of Opalescence Go trays direct from Ultradent. I bought mint flavor. It also comes in melon flavor. Has anyone tried the melon flavor? Did you like it? Let me know down in the comments. Ultradent is a company based in Utah which makes a variety of dental products. I've been using their whitening products since the late 90s. I also use their composite resins as well as their dental curing light, the Velo Grand. Opalescence Go are disposable whitening trays which are pre-filled with Ultradent's hydrogen peroxide whitening gel. The whitening gel is similar to the gel that I use when I make my patients custom whitening trays. It contains both potassium nitrate, that's the active ingredient in Sensodyne toothpaste, that is used to make your teeth less sensitive, and fluoride, which also decreases sensitivity. But honestly, you'll still get some sensitivity. Nothing extremely painful, just a little bit annoying. I tend to notice it when I inhale through my mouth. I'll feel a little bit of a zing, but don't worry, the sensitivity goes away a day or two after you are done using the whitening. Opalescence Go is usually sold in 10-pack patient kits. That means each kit contains 10 upper and 10 lower pre-filled trays, so you have 10 days of whitening. It's pretty simple to use. The trays are labeled upper and lower. You take one tray out and place it in your mouth over your teeth. It doesn't matter which you do first, upper or lower. If you're worried about gagging, though, do the lower first, so you get used to placing the tray in your mouth. Once the tray is in position, then bite down and suck on the tray for a few seconds. This helps the tray conform to your teeth. Then remove the outer plastic carrying tray. The whitening tray is now on your teeth. Do the same thing with the upper tray. Place it on your teeth, bite down and suck on it for a few seconds. Then remove the outer carrying tray. And now just wear the trays. Opalescence Go comes in two different strengths, 10% and 15%. Ultradent recommends that you wear the 10% formula for between 30 and 60 minutes a day and the 15% formula for between 15 and 20 minutes a day. Since the gel is hydrogen peroxide based instead of carbamide peroxide based, the concentration doesn't need to be as high as a carbamide peroxide based gel. Typically, great tooth whitening results come down to concentration of the whitening gel and how long it stays in contact with your teeth. So generally, using the strongest whitening gel for the longest period of time should get you better results. Unfortunately, doing that also makes it more likely that you will experience sensitivity. So if you are someone with sensitive teeth, I'd recommend using the 10% formula. If your teeth are not usually sensitive, then go ahead and use the 15% formula. If your teeth do get sensitive while using the 15% formula, consider switching to the 10% formula. Another tip is start using Sensodyne toothpaste for a couple of weeks before you use Opalescence Go. That will help head off any potential sensitivity. As with all take-home whitening products, one application is not enough to make a noticeable difference. I recommend you use the entire 10-day supply of trays. If you've never whitened your teeth before, or if your teeth are really discolored, you may need to order more and whiten for a longer period of time. And be consistent about it. Pick a time of day when you can wear the trays consistently. I tend to wear mine when I take my dog for a walk in the mornings. Once you're finished wearing the trays, remove them and throw them out. Then brush your teeth to get the rest of the whitening gel off of your teeth. The gel is fairly sticky, so rinsing it off usually doesn't remove it all. You'll need to brush. So, has anyone watching tried Opalescence Go? How was it? Would you recommend it to your friends? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.